This is going to be on YouTube, okay? Yes, loving husband. Hai korang, Adiza finally dapat the skin analyzer. So here it is. Tengok, kecil je. Separuh tapak tangan je. So it's very convenient, very easy to use. What it does is it connects to the phone, so boleh tengok skin condition dekat phone. And what it scans, it nanti scans dekat forehead, pipi, hidung and dagu. So you're gonna see a footage of the scan I did. I just had a scan semalam and this is what I got. Alright korang, as you can see, ini adalah scan dekat hidung Azhar. Kalau nampak bintik-bintik hitam tu, itulah blackheads. Okay, banyak blackheads dekat hidung ni sebenarnya. So I know what I need to do. Alright, kalau dah dapat tempat untuk scan, kita akan tangkap gambar. Kita capturekan dia and dia akan show up as normal and polarized. Okay, kalau nampak tu tak puas hati, kita boleh retake balik and scan dekat tempat yang lebih ada banyak problem. Okay, retake balik, capture and dia akan keluar balik. Nampak tu yang polarized tu, nampak bintik hitam so banyak blackheads. And ada screenshot sikit and tak puas hati, kita buat right tick. Ini dekat forehead, scan dekat forehead, pipi kiri, and ini adalah pipi kanan, right, and dekat hidung tadi, and dekat dagu, okay, and dia akan keluarkan report macam ni. Alright korang, that was the skin analysis. That is what you get when selepas scan kulit. Walaupun kita capture gambar kulit apa semua, so you can see either you have pimples coming up ataupun pigmentation, jeragat yang akan timbul, belum timbul lagi, tapi kita boleh tahu daripada situ. And daripada situ dia generate report either your skin is too oily or too dry, moisture cukup ke tak, ataupun perlu tambah lagi moisturizer. And daripada situ you can see the age of your skin, whether it's younger than your age or it is much older than what your age is. Daripada situ beauty consultant dapat consult you all what to use and what not to use. So if you would like to use the skin analyzer and analyze your skin, do contact your beauty consultants, or if you do not have any beauty consultants yet, do contact me either on WhatsApp or DM on Instagram or Facebook or Messenger. InsyaAllah I will get back to you and then we can set a date untuk scan kulit and we can analyze your skin. Okay, alright korang, be nice to each other. Bye.